Hello, kamusta? Today I'm gonna show you how to make this creamy overnight oats using my Saucy Starter. And don't worry, it's not tangy, just silky smooth and easier to digest. Start with half a cup of rolled oats. Add milk of your choice, about half a cup to 3/4 cup. Then add 1 tablespoon of Saucy Starter. This won't make it sour, promise. It just helps break down the oats a little so your body can digest it better. And add a teaspoon of maple syrup or honey. Give it a good stir. Cover and let it sit overnight in the fridge. In the morning, it's time to add your toppings. Whatever you like is okay. Here's some ideas that you can try. For the first cup, I added Greek yogurt, sliced bananas, sliced strawberries, and a drizzle of zero sugar chocolate syrup. It is, it's creamy, gut-friendly, and so satisfying. Now for our second cup, I went for a fruity, crunchy mix. I added dried fruits and nuts, blueberries, sliced mangoes, and finished it with crunchy granola on top. That's so appetizing and healthy. So that's a Saucy Starter version. Super creamy, no tang, and no heating needed. Okay, but if you don't have Saucy Starter yet, I have a video link up here or maybe on this side. I really don't know which side, but I promise you're gonna find it. And here's another bonus tip for you. Of course, you can use your raw starter, and I'm gonna show you how. Now, for a raw starter version, the measurement stays the same. Half a cup of oats, a teaspoon of maple syrup, your milk, and a tablespoon of raw starter. Mix it, cover it, and let it sit overnight. But here's the difference. In the morning, before adding toppings, warm your jar in the microwave for about 1 minute. This is just for food safety because raw sourdough starter is made from uncooked flour. After warming it, add your toppings just like the Saucy Starter bowl, and you're good to go. Try this recipe and let me know which version you like better. This is so good. Perfect for busy mornings. Thanks for watching. Always rise and be blessed.
Bye.